This is what Alex wants right here. Do you want to buy it today? Should we go get it today? Should we look outside? Alex's bluey.
Yes, our boys.
Wow.
Yes, it's a boy.
Alex has his garbage trucks ready and his big box waiting for the garbage man. Do you hear him? You hear the garbage truck?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Today must be Thursday.
Yes.
Yes, it's Thursday. Hi. Trunk, pull the lever. Look at that. Look at that. We're here, picking up our garbage.
Yeah.
Come on, garbage.
What's the title?
Say birds, here's your hungry.
Yeah, honey.
Say birds, call the birds.
Boo!
Birds.
Boo! What a poodle.
Where'd the birds go? Let's give them their food. This is some of the leftover food from our beautiful bird that passed away after 17 long years of having him. Say, we love you, bird. 3, 2, 1. Come and get it. Say, come and get it.
Yeah!
Come get it. Wow. Wow, buddy.
Boo!
We have upgraded the box, and he lined up all of his little cars to wait on the garbage man today. Look at how cute. Look at this one. These are the characters he chose. That's who's riding with his crew. Don't mess with them.
Give it to Mom.